India currently has 1,646 operational ambient air quality monitoring stations spread across 603 cities in 28 states and 7 union territories, according to information tabled in the Rajya Sabha in response to a question raised by Rajya Sabha MP Mansoor Khan. The government's response shows that Maharashtra has the highest number of operational monitoring stations, 177, followed by Uttar Pradesh 164 and West Bengal 109. At the other end of the spectrum, Lakshadweep has just one monitoring station, while Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Tripura have 4 stations each. The government further informed Parliament that 16,423.56 crore rupees has been released under the National Clean Air Program between 2019 to 20 and 2025 to 26, of which 11,579.06 crore rupees has been utilized, which means only around 70% utilization of the funds released. Commenting on the government's response, Mansoor Khan said, "It is concerning that only around 70% of the funds released under the National Clean Air Program have been utilized. Monitoring pollution is only the first step. The real challenge lies in translating data into action. We need timely utilization of funds, stronger implementation on the ground, and a scientific assessment of whether our monitoring infrastructure is fit for purpose. Clean air is not a privilege, it is a fundamental right, and every rupee allocated must result in measurable improvements in the air that Indians breathe." However, in response to Mansoor Khan's question on whether the government had assessed the adequacy of the country's air quality monitoring network, the reply did not provide any such assessment. Instead, it listed the details of release of funds without indicating whether the current network provides sufficient coverage, addresses regional gaps, or adequately reflects India's air pollution burden. Mansoor Khan said that while expanding the country's monitoring infrastructure is a welcome step, India must move beyond counting monitoring stations towards ensuring that the network is scientifically planned, adequately distributed, and capable of guiding effective policy interventions to improve air quality across the country. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.